Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a really frustrating problem that there are currently no power options available, error in Windows 11. If you're stuck without options to shut down, restart, or even bought your C to sleep, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through PC's several methods to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, this issue can sometimes happen because of missing or corrupted system files or because of a problem with your user account permissions. We're going to try the easiest solutions first and move on to more advanced ones if needed. Stay with me. All right, method 1, let's try using the Group Policy Editor. Press Windows key R to open the Run dialog. Now type gpd.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and find the setting called Remove and Prevent Access to the Shutdown, Restart, Sleep, and Hibernate commands. Scroll down and find the setting called Remove and Prevent Access to the Shutdown, Restart, Sleep, and Hibernate commands. Double-click it. If it's set to Enabled, that's the problem. Set it to Not Configured or Disabled, then click Apply and OK. Now restart your computer and check if the power options are back. If that didn't work, don't worry, let's move to method 2. We're going to use the command prompt to fix system files. Search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following command, sfc/scannow, and hit Enter. This will scan your system for any corrupted files and automatically repair them. The scan may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's done, restart your PC and see if the problem is fixed. Still no luck? All right, let's try method 3. We're going to tweak the Registry Editor. Press Windows key R again, type Regedit, and press Enter. When the Registry Editor opens, navigate to this location, HE Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies, Explorer. Look for a value called No Close on the right side. If you find it, double-click it. Make sure the value data is set to 0. If it's set to 1, that disables your power options. After fixing it, close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. Now, if you don't see a no close value or if anything didn't work, let's try method 4. Check your user account permissions. Sometimes if your account doesn't have the correct permissions, Windows disables power options. Go to the Start menu, click Settings, then Accounts. Under your info, make sure your account is set as administrator. If it's a standard user account, you might not have full control to access power options. If needed, switch to an administrator account or ask your system administrator to grant you admin rights. All right, final method. If none of these work, it might be time to consider a system restore. Type Create a Restore Point in the Start menu and open it. Click System Restore and follow the instructions to roll back your system to a time before the problem started. This can often fix stubborn issues like missing power options. And there you go, those are all the best methods to fix that. There are currently no power options available problem in Windows 11. Start with the easy fixes and work your way down. Most people find that one of the first few methods solves it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment below and I will do my best to help you out.